much trimming as I have to do, I thought I'd give this a try. I mean, good grooming's important. I'm ready. You just whatever you got to do.
I've got to put a lot of wax in there.
Okay. Ow. Okay.
That's our beautiful Sarah.
So now I'm learning what women have to go through that do this, and men too, but I think mostly it's women, right?
Yeah.
What I just saw was wax, right, honey?
I think
Yeah.
she's putting the wax in
I'm
first.
just putting it in. It has to dry before I can remove anything. Yeah, it has to harden a little bit. Especially up there and
Yeah.
in such a tight area.
Can y'all see his nose and hair? Yes.
So we have Jasmine. Jasmine, how was your day today?
It was okay.
It's kind of a rough day, wasn't it?
Yes,
It was
it was.
busy, wasn't it?
How was your day?
It was okay, except my medical assistant was late this morning.
Mm.
I know.
What you doing now, honey?
I'm squishing it to make sure we get all those hairs.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh my goodness!
Oh, yes!
You are cruel!
Wow!
Look at all that.
Look at all that.
Wow!
Looks like earwax.
Oh.
Do you want to save it?
No, I don't want to
Yes,
say that. That was.
Are you going to do your second one now?
Yes, I
or-
don't have any choice now.
Wait, let me make sure there's not any. See, there's still some way up there, though.
Yeah.
All the way up there. Do it again. Oh, gosh. Do it all the way up there. But how can you...
That was stunning. That was stunning.
Your nose is red like...
Well, yeah, somebody just ripped all the hairs out of it.
Oh, I'm so glad you didn't cry, Pancho.
I'm crying on the inside, Jenny.
So
Okay.
your Jew's not home.
Are you gonna go? Okay, same side.
Yeah, but I gotta get deeper.
So glad we videotaped this for all.
Yeah.
Do you have a cut up there?
No, I do have a little deviated septum, so some of the cartilage on my nose kind of protrudes just slightly on the medial aspect, and as a result, when you were, it's okay. It
Digging
don't-
up in there, it hurt you?
Yeah, it's no big deal. No big deal.
Ready?
I don't think one can ever really be ready. I think you just get it done. Get it done when you do it. You know.
Hopefully you just get it in one rip, but look at all that.
Is there more?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to trim or what?
You need part 2. Now we have to have the tweezer.
God,
Did you?
I'm
Have some
torturing
tweezers
you for real.
Yeah.
And we gotta get tweezer because the one way in the back, way up there, was not that easy to get out.
Is it not coming out?
Don't worry, it'll come out.
All right.
Wow. Oh, you got a lot more.
See, I
hair.
had to
Wow.
get way up there, so it's a little bit harder. Oh, jeez.
Yes.
Okay.
It depends on the size. It starts at.
My sympathy goes out now to all people who have this done on a regular basis.
How, does he have to get it done in a regular basics, honey?
It doesn't have to, but
Ooh.
jeez.
Oh my goodness,
Can I
that
see that?
hurt.
Can I see that?
Oh my goodness, that hurt.
Oh my goodness.
Woo!
That was a good one.
He's
Oh my goodness. Okay, those are tears of joy I'm experiencing right now.
so next I'm gonna just put a little bit of Aquaphor up there on that side because you did have a little sensitivity there.
Did it bleed a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Achoo.
The things we do for beauty.
Of course. Wait till you see what women does for beauty.
God, look at that. Oh.
Huh.
I know I'm breathing
Slowly
easier.
you're gonna get right here, and y'all can see. Oh, those are all his hair. Okay, that little blood was just because of his irritation, his sensitive.
She was a little
Left
aggressive
side.
on that one side. Yeah.
What is it?
I wanna
so,
call.
my
Good
lovely
morning,
doctor.
It's not really that funny. I was just doing a little morning ear cleaning, and the Q-tip came out, and there was no cotton on it anymore. So I tried to grab it, and I got a little piece of cotton, but that's all. So apparently there's more in there. So I had Dr. Jenny check it for me, and she thought it was really funny. So
Since I looked at it, I go, I don't even need the lights, honey. But I gotta have the video.
Yeah, so now
So,
you have to
hold
video.
on.
So it's my turn to be the patient. Okay.
Yes,
go ahead.
sir.
Yeah, don't y'all know he always yells at me about cleaning my ears?
I thought you weren't supposed to use gloves.
You're not supposed to
Oh,
use
yeah,
Q-tips down in there. Okay, I know.
Hold on, sir. Can you see
You're
it,
not
honey?
supposed to put anything smaller than your elbow in your ear.
In your elbow.
Oh, I got his hair. Excuse me, darling.
Don't.
Just would you just? It's just driving me crazy. Don't push it in.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God.
Okay, thank you very much.
You want to come, my dear?
I've been
Oh,
thoroughly embarrassed.
I should turn it. I should turn to the other side, not the side with the.
You might need to check the other side, too.
The other side's fine. I'm fine, thank you. I just had a piece of cotton that came off the cotton-tipped applicator and
But you're
stuck
not
in my
He
ear.
doesn't like it when he's in the hot spot, guys.
You're right. I don't like being in the hot spot. Hot spot.
He can't even make eye contact with the camera.
Are you sure? You sure nothing in this here?
Go ahead. Might as well. Who knows?
Look at it.
Could be one
Too
of
tall
those
for
days.
me.
Is he clear,
It's
Jada?
so nice and clean.
Well,
You do
see,
have
We
some
cleaned that
allergy in
I
there.
clean my ears. Thank you very
Here,
much.
sir.
So what's the lesson of the day?
Nothing smaller than your elbow goes in your ear, and don't put Q-tips in there either, and don't tell stories about how you were just trying to clean the outer part. If
There
you
you
put
go.
the Q-tip in there, just admit it. I put it in there. I admit it. I did it.
Lesson
All right.
from
Have
yours
a wonderful
truly.
day.
We're allowed to share his video on YouTube for the whole world to see.
Yes.
Is it okay if we share your video on YouTube for all of our followers and viewers?
Sure, if anybody really wants to see it. So I decided that I wanted to try the nose hair waxing, and I've been told it's fairly painful, but we got our friend Pepper here. Pepper, do you mind if we video for your procedure here for YouTube and the internet?
No.
You don't mind at all. All right, Gonzo.
No.
Now, you've had a little trouble with your ear for a few weeks, you were telling me, correct?
Yes.
All right, and what do you think's going on in there?
Well, just when I wake up in the morning, some is just stopped up, and you can hear it pop. And you
Mhm.
start hearing, but the
Mhm.
last 2 days is just solid.
Yep.
Won't open up.
Well, we took a look in there, and you've got a cerumen impaction. And that's not a big surprise. That's happened to you once before, hasn't it?
Yes.
All right. So we're going to see if we can't relieve you of this impacted cerumen.
Okay.
You ready?
Yes.
All right. So we're going to take a look in here again. See if we can't do this for you. Can you see okay, little Gonzo?
Not really.
Go right there. Is it hurting any?
Well, I can feel it. Hearing a little popping.
Do ya? And we got a little piece right there. You got a big chunk coming out right here, my friend. Looks like a monstrous collection of cerumen right there. And let's see that again in slow-mo. Here we go, speculum's in, lighted, something's coming out. What could it be? An enormous, monstrous collection of cerumen making its way now out of the ear canal for you to see. There.
Hold on.
See that?
Look at it.
No, I can't see it. Hold on. Get up, 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 up. There it goes.
Yeah, there it is. You want to see it?
Oh, man.
It's too short, but I do see you
I
getting.
can feel that. Oh,
Can you feel a little bit
man.
there?
Oh, man. Yeah.
It can be a little bit uncomfortable. We just got another big chunk out though.
I think you can let this go.
Feels like it's hitting my throat.
Feels like it's going all the way into the throat there, huh?
Sorry.
Looks pretty good, Mr. Pepper. I'm going to give you a prescription for some drops to go in there to kind of calm that ear down a little bit, okay? You all right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Can you hear better out of that ear now?
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
It seemed like I hear, but
Hi, my name is Melissa, and I've been taking medicine for about 3 months right now. So far, I'm really loving this product. It's definitely helped me steer off of energy drinks, caffeine. That was my goal. I'm definitely trying to be a little bit more fit. So I would definitely recommend this product on Amazon. So catch me in the next 3 months, see how's it going. But so far, I'm loving this product.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below. All right, folks, this is Emily, and Emily's been using Cocoa Skin Plus. Emily, you want to give your personal testimonial?
I started taking Cocoa Skin Plus about 6 months ago, and since then I've noticed a huge difference in my skin. It's softer, my hair is softer, and it's grown so long.
Awesome.
I highly recommend it. I've definitely noticed a difference. It's definitely helped my hair feel better, my skin feel better, and you can pick it up on Amazon.
All right, check out Cocoa Skin Plus on m7amazon.com. Available, and it was designed by Dr. John Gilmore. Thanks.